Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Hi Victor, hi Stephen, how you guys doing? Can anyone hear me clearly? You guys can hear me, right? Oh yes, okay. We just wait for a couple more minutes for everyone to join us, all right? How you guys doing so far? Any win, any lose last week? Anyone make a big money last week? Okay, I think I will start the webinar in 2 minutes. Okay. By the way, where you guys tuning in from? I'm based in Singapore. What's about you guys? Cape Town. Wow, that's nice. Yes, that's very. I never been there though, but I read about the town. Okay. We just wait for 1 more minute. All right. Okay. All right, guys. So let's just start the sections for today. So today, I'm going to talk about Fibonacci Masterclass, retracement and extension. Does anyone of you guys already use Fibo, or you guys new to it, or anyone already using Fibo retracement, to trade? You guys can let me know. Also, along the way, along the webinar, if you have any question, you can let me know. Okay, you can just like ask me anytime you want. I will try to answer as much as possible. Okay, you say, I'm not sure if I can pronounce your name correctly. Is this how to call you? Ross? Or okay, you say that never use it. Okay. Maybe after this section, I think you will use it, because if you are interested in Elliott wave or harmonic pattern, first you need to start to know how to draw Fibonacci first. Okay, all right, let's just start the section for today. Ian, okay, pronounce your name Ian. All right, okay. Let me start my slide now. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so disclaimer first before our webinar. Any information in this video does not contain or should not be construed as containing investment advice or any investment recommendation and offer or consideration for not transaction in financial instrument. Okay. Again, guys, risk warning, CFD are very complex. If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence, all right? Okay, about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm external trade analyst, and we are partner with IC Market. And Era Fortune Group, we finalists for the best FX equity research for 2019, 20, and 21. And I do a prop trading as well. This is some of my certificate that have passed all the challenge. Okay. So the agenda for today, I'm going to talk about, mastering retracement, what are the Fibonacci extension, what key Fibonacci level, for you to watch out for, and for is respecting market structures, or how to find or how to identify market structures, which I will bring you to the right chart later. So again, guys, I'm not going to talk about, history of Fibonacci. I believe, you guys can Google it. So right today, my main purpose, I just want to teach you guys how to draw Fibonacci correctly. Okay, so just briefly explain what is Fibonacci retracement. Actually Fibonacci retracement, it can identify a potential support and resistance based on Fibonacci's frequency. For example, like if you take 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, and so on. So typically from, if you want to draw, downtrend, okay, from the downtrend, okay, downtrend here, you draw Fibo from your high, swing high. For example, this is your, you draw from left to the right, so from high to the low, here, okay, ending point, starting point, and you wait for the price to retrace. Maybe here is about 50%, right? For the downtrend, and then price will go up. Okay, this is for downtrend. Okay, for the uptrend, if you want to draw, you need to draw from swing low to swing high. Okay, this is your starting point. Okay, you draw left to the right here, and then this is your ending point, uptrend. You wait for the price to pull back. Let's just say here 50%. Okay, like you gonna buy, right, uptrend. Okay, buy from here, and then price shoot up. Okay, and some of the traders, they use Fibonacci to identify potential entry and exit point, as well as risk by placing stop loss order or profit target. For example, I bring you guys to the chart here. For example, here any time frame doesn't matter. I just want to show you guys how to draw. For example, here, if you want on the uptrend, okay, on the uptrend, you draw swing low to swing high. Okay, and then you can see that this is price is retraced at 50%, and then it shoot up. This is uptrend. Okay, what about downtrend? Swing high. For example, your swing high and swing low. Oh, okay. Okay, let me. Okay, swing high to swing low, and then you can see that price it retraced about 50% here. Okay, here, here, right? And then it come down. Okay, this is how you draw Fibonacci. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so you know that there are so many level Fibonacci retracements, right? So I'm going to kind of like tell you guys how to use the level correctly. One is if there is small pullback between 38.2% and 50%, this is a sign of very strong trending market. Okay, if there is a deep pullback between 50% to 68% or period level of support, this is a sign of this is a sign of weakness in the training market. For example, I go back again and let me delete. Okay, all this. I just go to higher time frame, for example. Okay, you just ignore all the. Okay, for example here, just now I will mention the small pullback, which is, let me see, between 38.2% and 50% small pullback for the training market, for example. Here. Okay, let me try to find. Okay, you will to draw from here to here. Okay, you ignore this part, okay, because let's say we don't know what's going to happen here from here to here. Okay, and then you see that small pullback, I think is about 38% here. This is small pullback for the training market, right? This one, small pullback for the training market. After pullback here, okay, and then the price is reverts from this level, shoot up. Okay, this is what I mean. What about deep pullback between 50% or even up to 78.6%, which is okay, this one. Then I draw fibo from here to here. Okay, you know that this level, this is a deep pullback, right? Here, even though it's almost here, but there is a really long wick here. So if you draw like that, you're gonna place the buy from here, right? And then where you put the stop loss, for example, I will mention that retracement, some trader they are using to place their order or their put stop loss. Sometimes if you place the buy order from here, this level, okay, this is your buy entry. Your buy entry. Your stop loss should be below this one. Okay, you can just put this is your stop loss. Okay. And this is after the pullback here, and then the price is revert up here. This is called deep pullback. Okay. Okay. Again, if you have a question like, wow, Peggy, there is so many level, how you going to identify or which level you should pick for probability trade entry? Okay, for example here, if you this is on the uptrend, okay, so if your starting point when you draw is always 100. Okay, your starting point, you draw the up here. Okay, I will divide the zone which is 50%. Above here, you mean above 50% is premium zone, okay? And below 50% is like from 61.8% or 8.6%. That is gonna be discounted zone. This is for bullish scenario or bullish momentum. Okay, as you can see here, and you see here, if you draw the retracement like this and then your premium zone, if you say that okay, you're going to put the buy entry at this level, which is 50%, yeah, you may you may lose your trade. Because why? Because after the price is reversed a little bit only, price is reversed all the way here, which is, I believe, this level, like this counter zone here, it should be around 78.6%. Okay, and after that, you can see that price reverse from here and then go up, reverse all the way up. Okay, this is how you you use or you identify which zone you want to use for Fibonacci retracement. Okay, any question so far, guys? Let me know if you have any question. Okay, where is the question? I'm not sure whether you guys asked me any question. Let me see. Okay, next, or maybe okay, we go to the next slide. Since you guys don't have any question, okay, what are Fibonacci extension? So Fibonacci extension is for you guys to estimate profit target or estimate how far the price may travel after the pullback is finished. Also, possible area for the price may reverse. And common extension level is 1.272%. I think no, this one should be, I think I put wrongly. Sorry, this one should be 127.2% and 161.8%, 200%, and 261.8%. So how it look like for the Fibo extension? Here is the Fibonacci extension. When you draw the Fibo, okay, maybe I bring you to the charts for clear explanation. For example, here, okay, what I will mention about when you draw the Fibo, this is, okay, from 0 to this one, okay, these are the number, okay, this side, yeah, is Fibo retracement level, okay, like maybe I just highlight here, okay, this is Fibonacci retracement, okay, and positive number below here, these are for the uptrend, or here is Fibonacci extension, okay. Then you may ask me, what about the positive number? This one is an expansion, which is today I'm not going to cover Fibonacci expansion. I'm going to cover Fibonacci extension, which is this one, and Fibonacci extension, which is this one, okay. For example, here, and you can see, right, if positive number is Fibonacci extension, this is Fibonacci retracement, and below is Fibonacci expansion. So you just ignore this one. Maybe good to know. Maybe next section we can talk about Fibonacci expansion and projection. Just today focusing on these two topics first. Okay. So okay, for you guys to draw Fibonacci retracement is a checklist for you. First, you need to identify market structure. Is it clear market structure? Is it like this? Okay, this is going to be uptrend. Okay, you know that you're going to draw, or this is going to be a downtrend. Okay, this is very clear market structure. And after that, you need to identify swing high and swing low. For example, just now, if you were to draw like this, okay, let me delete. Okay, oh, pen here. Okay, if on the uptrend, okay, you see like this, okay, you see like this, right? Okay, and maybe here price is still maybe still can going up, but I pick this one as my recent swing high, and then this is my recent swing low. So I will draw Fibo from here to here. Okay, oh sorry, maybe to here. When you see the price go down here to here, my starting point not here, yeah. and then you will see, you wait for the price to retrace, and then you will buy, and then you make the, you know, higher high and lower high. For example, here, okay, I remove all the drawing first. Okay, for example, how you're going to identify, you look for the higher time frame, either H1 or H4, even daily time frame, and you can see here that in the daily time frame, I'm talking about gold, okay, now, which is in I put watermark for you here. You know that price is making higher high, lower high, higher high. Here is something like this, right? So I know that this is price is on uptrend in daily time frame. Okay, so how you going to draw the fibo? Recent swing low to recent swing high is here, and you know that price is retrace 50%. You can see right here, and price is revert up. This is in daily time frame. Okay, after that you see, oh, in the daily time frame you see that it's a uptrend. Okay, oh, okay, also you can draw the trend line to help you identify this your trend line. Okay, ascending trend line, you draw like this, uptrend. Okay, you go to a lower time frame, which is H4, and you can see that, okay, in H4 is respect the trend line here. Okay, but you want to see that where is the price is heading to. But if you were to zoom in like this, okay, if you were to draw fibo from this level to this level, for example, you know that this is a very deep pullback in H4, which is about 78, 76% here, which is, you can see that deep pullback, okay, here, and the price revert. For the deep pullback is, okay, for the deep pullback is meaning that the trend is not strong anymore, okay, but it also for you to, for example, you may lose the trade if you don't put the order in those like premium discount, because now you wait for the price to come to discount zone, which is this one. That's why risk and reward is very high from this one to this level. Okay, if you were to draw like this. Okay, and after that you can see that price is kind of like ranging, okay, like here, not going anywhere. If you were to draw support and resistance in H4, this is your first support, right? First, and this one, it could be your resistance here, for resistance. And then you can see the price is like ranging, it's here and here, not go anywhere. Okay, but tonight we do have a new, okay, we do have called CPI. Singapore time is tonight. Okay, okay, what about this, you identify the trend. If like this, if you saw the market choppy like this, we're not going to draw fibo, right? Because you know that this is it ranging. Okay, not going to draw fibo. You wait for the price, or you wait for the retracement or any clear market structures. For example, this one like this you can draw, but you're not going to draw something like this. Okay, for example, or you say that you're going to draw here to here, no, or you're going to draw here to here, no. Okay, if you see it like this in H4 time frame, first you can just pick the recent low from here to here. Okay, you pull out all the fibo, and you can see that from this high to this low, price is respect 61% here. Okay, no, haven't yet. Okay, because from this high, yeah, you see the price is only respect 38.2%. This is very strong training market. Okay, it's a, can you see this? Okay, this small pullback. Okay, small pullback here for the strong trending market, and then after that price is all the way up here. Okay, can you see? Okay, let me bring you back to the chart. Okay, and okay, so this is the Fibonacci extension, and you can see that usually I use is 127.2% and 61.8%. Okay, for the pro tip, you look for the 9 tick to find out very powerful setup. For example, here, your starting point here, your ending point, right? You draw left to the right, which so here, and then this is your 127.2%. Okay, you can see from here to here. Okay, and then you draw Fibo here to here, and then you can see that 127 and 61.8% to watch out for Fibonacci extension. You can see that price react and then reverse down. Okay, and let's try. If you guys have any question, guys, you let me know. I try to explain for you clearly. Okay. Okay, so here how you're going to draw Fibonacci extension. This is for example one. Starting point number one here, right? Your ending point always 100% on top, left to the right. You draw from here to here. We draw from here to here, and then you can see that this is 61.8%, which is the level for the extension, right? And then when the price it reaches this level, it reverses all the way down. Okay, always look for the V shape, which is like this. You can see like this. Okay, between point 1 to point 3 to find the point C to point 3. Okay, and you just only look for 127 and 161.8% for Fibonacci extension. Okay, so far so good, guys. Nobody asked me the question, or I did not see, or I didn't see any of the question from you guys. Okay, let me try to pull it out again. Okay, maybe there's no question. Okay. This is another example of the extension in, for example, two. For example, here, I think why I don't have the, okay, so here, okay, this is the reason I've zoomed in. When you draw the Fibo, okay, from this your starting point, your ending point, all the way left to the right, you draw from here, and then you can see that price is react at 127.2% Fibo extension, okay, and then price is reverse down. All right, this is example 3. This is your starting point, okay, your ending point. You draw from here to here, and then you can see that price is break below 127.2%, but it react with 161.8%, which is you draw this is your support level. Okay, when you draw from here, you can see that, right, all the way here, and you can see the price react long wick here, and then it's reverse from here, from this level. Okay, let me find the example for you. Maybe I go to other pair. For example, I'm looking for maybe try to find maybe from here. me see. Okay, no, it's not a good example. Maybe, okay, let me, I try to find the example for you guys. Okay, this is starting point here, ending point, and then we wait for this level, right? But the price isn't go up, it's all the way down, so we cannot use this to find our example. Maybe no. Okay, this not, wait. Maybe I cannot find the example for you guys. Wait, I try to find maybe this one. Okay. No. Okay, let me try. Okay, for example here. Okay, this is the level we are watching, right? From here to here, you can see that this is our premium zone there. Let me find this the one. Okay, and you can see if I withdraw from here, you can see that price is already go above 127.2%, and this is the level that we are watch out, which is this one. Okay, 61.8%, which is this one, which is around this level. You will draw this and in H1, which is around this somewhere here. Okay. Okay, there is a question. Yeah, let me see. In turn, do you use certain percentage for? Okay, there's a question from Bob. Do you use certain percentage for SL and TP? Okay, now because now we are using Fibonacci retracement, right? Usually, for example, some of the trader they will use Fibonacci to find the entry or to put stop loss, or you take profit. For example, here, if I were to draw Fibo from here to here, okay, and you know that price is retraced about 50%, somewhere around here, and then it's somewhere near with my first support, which is I identify. So I draw the zone here, right? You draw the zone here for your buy entry. Okay, when you see that price, it already go up, and then where you're going to put a stop loss, of course you want to put stop loss is below the wick, or you can put, okay, I put 50%, all level should be okay. You know that this is 78%, which is the price may pull back. You may put stop loss here below this wick, is your stop loss. Okay, where you're going to take the profit if your buy entry is here. If you like, you take the buy entry from here. Okay, you draw Fibo from this high to this low. Okay, and you know that price is already 78.2%. Okay, here, this is your TP. This is your TP, which is your first resistance. Also, your first resistance is line up with 78.6% is your TP, because other trader they might trade using this one is order block or bearish candle. Okay, so from here you take your profit. Okay, you don't need to hold until like the end of the body candle, which is bullish bearish here, because this is people who trade those like other block or whatsoever. Okay, they will see that this is a very big bearish candle, and then they might identify this one at QM, like QM, right? Is a head, right? Or you can say like head and shoulder, something like that, right? This is a left shoulder, head, and right shoulder here. So right, so this is how you use Fibonacci to find the stop loss or take profit, or to find the entry. Okay, is it okay the price pull back to, okay, there's a question, is it okay if the price pull back to 0% level? um okay, wait, you're talking about, no, usually the retracement, just a recap, guys. Okay, for the retracement, Fibonacci retracement is this level, 78.6%, 61.8%, 50%, 38.2%, and 23.6%. Let's say if you draw Fibo from here to here, price is not going to retrace until 0%. Retracement meaning that you draw the Fibo, okay, retrace at this level, and then the price will go up and continue to the downtrend like this. Okay, when the price breaking your entry point is invalid anymore. Okay, retracement is only the number that you are looking for, which is, okay, if we were to draw from here, okay, will you see like that, right? This is your Fibonacci retracement level, this one. Okay, and today we cover retracement, which is green one, and this is your Fibonacci extension. I change the color. Okay, extension. For negative number, you just ignore. For good to know for today, this is your expansion. Okay, extension is positive number, and expansion is negative number. Extension is negative number. Okay, so today we only focusing on this one and this one, not this one. Okay, okay, let's be, it's okay, you just join, don't worry. You let me know if you have any question. Okay, okay, this already mentioned. Okay, and just now I already tell you guys how to find market structure. Okay, this is how you identify the market structure. First, you see that there's move up and down like this, right? You can see up and down. Okay, this is very clear market structures, and you can really find this high, low, high, low, high, and low. Okay, this is a correct one. Later I will bring you back to the chart. Okay, this is invalid retracement, which is just now some of you guys asking me. Okay, but uh, okay, but he left, but it's okay. So you see that is your starting point is here, right? 100, and your ending point here. You draw the Fibonacci like that because you wait for price either pull back 20% until here, until here, or even until and then the price go down. But when you see the price, you need retrace 23.6%, then it's all the way down here. It's break your ending point. So this is invalid retracement anymore. Okay, so you're not going to pick this high and this low. Your new low should be here. Okay, not here anymore. Okay, Okay, that's a question about interval time interval method. No, Fibonacci you can draw any time frame you want. It depends um on your strategy, on your like trader. Depend on you actually. For example, like let me delete all this. Okay, I'm in the higher time frame, and you say that oh you are type of the like scalper. You just want to look at 15, for example, 15 here, and you already identify this is the higher point, your low point here, right? You draw fibo from here to oops, sorry. Okay, you draw fibo from this. Oh, you draw fibo from this low to this high, and you can see that price is retraced about 61.8%, which is this level. And you know that this is the level you're looking for, right? Here. If you were to draw you know overlap support or overlap resistance, if you follow Desmond, right? Usually he always use this term. This is your overlap resistance become your overlap support. Okay, if you put like that, and then you may draw the zone like this, you know that this is a zone for you to buy when the price is pull back. Okay, you can see that, right? It's pull back. This is very deep pullback here until 61.8%. Okay, even here, and then after that you can see the price is revert all the way. Okay, even though let's say I go down to M5, you say okay, you say that you are kind of a scalper, you just want to in and out very often, you're not a fan of a higher time frame, you can use this one, and you see price is react here. Okay, and then shoot all the way up. Okay, like again for the higher time frame you can look for the market structures. Okay, for example, I look at the daily time frame for GBP USD. Okay, this is daily in okay okay cheap. Now let me pull out indicator to look for the my side. Okay, in the daily time frame you can see that price is okay. When you draw Fibo, you know that this is your higher time frame, right? Your starting point, your ending point, because price is going to uptrend, okay? And you can see that price react at 38.2% here, and then price is going up. But again, you can see that price haven't made the higher high. This is a high, recent high, right? But this one, they cannot make the higher high. To me, daily time frame, price might start to revert from this level. Okay, but again, this is our daily time frame. Okay, and this is price is already at our like resistance here. If you were to draw, almost hit our first resistance for the this is daily time frame, right? And after that you go down to the H4. You just want to look for the market. Okay, from here to here you can draw Fibo from this one to this one. Okay, from this low to this high, and then I think price is respect at 50%, which is you see here, this one. Okay, and then price is revert back up. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you like scalpel, you can just in and out very often, no problem. Okay, All right. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for today. Any question, guys? Any question before I maybe we look at the charts for a while before I end the section for today? Do you have any questions so far? Like any question on how to draw the fibo? Hi, good day to you too. Okay, I missed one question. You align at the discount zone. Please, how did you align at discount zone? Okay, let me recap on discount zone. Okay, for example, I draw fibo from here to here, right? My discount zone, I will just divide by 50%. Okay, as you can see here, from this one to this one, 50% here. If you to draw only from here, this is my premium zone here. Okay. Okay, this is my premium zone. Okay. For 50% and below, this I'm talking about the uptrend market, yeah. This is my discounted zone. I will put at maybe green color. Okay, discounted zone I will explain later. This discounted zone here. Okay. Okay. This is how I identify. Can you put the chart up larger? Okay. Can you see? Can you see now? Okay. Better? Okay, better? You just you ignore like this part, yeah, you don't see, because I'm going to like explain if you were to draw Fibo from this one to this one and then you wait for the price to pull back. Okay. Okay. So for the premium zone, like I mentioned, it's between okay, again I show you all the Fibo level. Okay, the premium zone is 22.6%, 38.2%, and 50%. Below 50%, which is 61.8%, and 78.6% is discounted zone. For example, you see that price revert. Let's say you draw like this, and then you want to put the buy order in a premium zone. Okay, you may buy at this level, for example. Okay, this is your buy entry, for example, right? For example, you buy entry this level, price pull back here, and after that you can see that from here price pull back only this one, for example, and then it's only reverse just a little bit only, and then price is keep going down. Okay, going down, and you can see that if you were to wait, for example, you were to wait, right? You say, okay, you were to wait at the discounted zone, which is below 50%, you will get the trade from here, which is line up with 78.6%, which is discounted zone. And then after that, after price is pull back, okay, and then after that it reverse all the way from here to here. And again, there is the pro and con. For example, I'll go back. Discounted zone here, right? Let me see. Okay, so for the premium zone, if you put here, you may or you might lose the many trade, because you know the market like to clear all the buy order from the premium zone. This is for the uptrend or for the bullish momentum. Okay, so they can, the market can benefit from those like early buy entry from the premium zone, because you can see that when you just buy at this level, price is just reverse a little bit, and then after that it might hit your all stop loss somewhere around here, right? I don't know where you put your stop loss, but if you wait at the discounter zone, this is the safe zone. But again, if there is a very strong trending market, if you wait until discounter zone, you may miss the trade. Okay, so because sometimes uh very strongly trending, okay, price is not pull back until discounter zone. Okay, so sometimes you may call it good trade here, sometimes you might get the stop loss somewhere here. But if you wait until at discounter zone, your risk reward will be like, I think, more than 1 to 1. Okay, that's what I mean. Okay, guys. All right, guys, any questions so far? Okay, there's a question. What's about extension, expansion, and projection? Okay, so like I said today, recap again. One more time, okay, before I end. Like here, extension. You want to find the retracement, right? Either drawing from this one starting point here and probably retrace here, or retrace for the uptrend or the downtrend, up to you. But from here, this is I'm drawing for the uptrend, yeah. This is for the extension. Okay, this one is for your expansion, where the price is heading to. But like I say, today we only focusing on extension. We focusing on fibo extension. Okay, this is called, okay, extension, this block, and this is called retracement, which is I'm only focusing on those fibo retracement and extension. This expansion and projection, I think that's going to be next section. Okay, so let me, okay, for example, this is how you draw fibo projection. Okay, I'm not going to confuse you guys. This is called fibo projection. You see that price is go here in here, meaning that projection for you to price where the price is heading to or going to end. For example, if you buy from here, okay, and then you want to see where the price or where you can take your profit, it could either 61.8% projection or 78.6% projection, which is that is gonna be next section, not today. Yeah, later you guys will be confusing. Okay, just retracement and extension. Okay, and then maybe projection and expansion is gonna be next topic. Okay, so far so good, guys. Okay, so before I end the webinar, I would like you guys to let my webinar, there is star 521. Okay, let me know, do you like the webinar or not, or any feedback? Okay, can let me know as well. Okay, so okay, I just launched the poll, so you can just give me 5 star 2 star 3 star, up to you guys. Appreciate that. Okay, I hope you guys learned something today, how to draw fibo. Okay, Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for voting for me. Let me know if you guys really want to learn about projection and expansion. I think we can come up with this topic in the next section, I believe. Okay. And oh, I cannot see. No. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for today, and I hope you guys learning something new. And if you guys don't know how to never use Fibo before, you should try to start using. Okay, like I mentioned, if you want to use, if you want to learn those like harmonic pattern or elite wave, you need to master Fibonacci first. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for your time today. Okay. Hope to see you guys again. Maybe next section. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.